Welcome to the live session. Traders ready for the next day of after market open. We can see that there is a pretty big move yesterday with the global situation. So you can see that quite a few instruments currently showing significant movement. We have seen there was a massive drop on gold. And then we see that early today gold has gone up, retested again, dropping down, though it's in a narrow range, along with Gbpusd and also the euro dollar. So let's find out where we can find our next opportunity. We can see that gold, euro dollar, and Gbpusd, also British pound US dollar, we'll be looking at to see where you can find suitable entry opportunity. Also, we'll be doing the full multi-time frame analysis. I'm just waiting everyone to be showing up. Let me know, traders, when you're here. Thank you for joining the live session. Ajibay, welcome. Good morning. Maruf, good day. Ron, thanks for joining. Gaza, welcome. Thank you. So also, traders, when you're here, make sure you smash the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I would recommend you to do so, and also press that bell button. So let's look at if we look at the gold chart. I will be doing the full multi-time frame analysis, and then we will jump back to the lower time frame to see overall picture in the market, looking at monthly chart to see how the market is doing. Now from the monthly, we can see that there is a bullish engulfer on the monthly. This is a pretty long and a strong bullish engulfer on the monthly, which the candle has closed. And with this monthly bullish engulfer, but we can see that there is this is another monthly candle from series of lower high, and we can see that there is a long wick here as well on gold. From the monthly, we can see the market has dropped and it has a bounce again. So the overall picture that we can see on the monthly with the market open, we have seen that initial drop, and then we can see the market maintaining series of higher low and pushing up for a pullback. So from the monthly, I think that as it has started to drop, we might see a little bit to the downside. If we look at the weekly chart, here we can see a little broken picture. That means that a bit precise information here on the weekly. We can see there is a weekly long wick here on gold with the body and the long wick. So this is the weekly candle. That's what you can expect for the price to drop again, because what I think that as weekly price action already has dropped significantly, expecting for the market to come down and then fill that wick at the bottom. If we look at the daily chart, what we can see from the daily, there is a healthy body with a long wick at the bottom. And today's candle, if you look at what we can see, there is a long wick at the top also and also bottom. And I think that we might see that the market breaking below and then filling that wick. So what we can see from the daily is the market trend is still down. Okay, so you see there is a long wick at the bottom, and expecting gold to come down and then fill that long wick at the bottom. Okay, so my bias on gold is still potentially bearish from the daily, what we can see. Now from the intraday here, which is very narrow range. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. The range here on gold is narrow from the 1 hour, and I think that this market might, you can see the way the structure is being formed, we could see that there is a, like a semi-circular pattern and then dropping back to the support. That could be the situation on gold. And yeah, this might be the structure here. Okay, so you can see there is a semicircular pattern may form, and if any, the price going up for any kind of liquidity grab. Okay, so any kind of liquidity grab is where we can expect for the market to drop down to this support level. That's what I'm expecting. So, and the upside here is, if we look at the resistance, okay, and if you guys look at it, you can see this is the support turning resistance, and this is also the support. So the price even might range here a little more longer, which is possible. Very narrow range at the moment, so this kind of range is impossible to trade, and I would recommend you to be patient here for the market to give us potential entry opportunity, and then we can look for entry. Okay, so it's important that we see proper entry before we look for that. So a long bearish engulfer followed by another red bearish candle. So with that in mind, okay, so here is the, if we look at the 5 minutes, there was a structure. We have seen that break from that structure. Lower time frame price action is now that we will be looking to see to find potential entry. Okay, so as soon as any entry coming, that we will be looking for entry opportunity. Let's see where it is heading. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying here, make sure you give a thumbs up. And thanks for joining the live session. Good morning. Thank you very much. Omar, welcome. One of the best. Thank you. Good day. Welcome, welcome. Also stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video. Okay, so here is in this area, we can see a structure. Okay, so looking at this time frame from the 1 hour, and from the 4 hour, from the daily. Okay, so if we look at the daily here, daily, there is a high and the low of the daily. So today's high and low is here from the daily. So with that high and low, Okay, so here is a long bearish drop here on gold. Lower time frame price action, what we can see the market, this is the support that I think that we might see a retest. So any liquidity candle formation to the upside, we will be looking for selling here. Let's see how far it may drop in that direction. Okay, so pretty strong drop. Locally we might see, if we see that this is the 1 minute chart. So if we can see the market showing that pattern, that we can look for potential entry, we'll see that. Okay guys, so in the meantime, I definitely appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up. So if you smash it, it might go to the upside to show to more people. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, here is what you can see locally. Let's see if there is any opportunity here for us to see a couple of pips. We'll see if there is any opportunity on gold. I think if we can see, this is the 1 minute chart, a very strong liquidity graph from the top, we can look for selling opportunity here. Let's, before move on to the potential entry, let's quickly look at what's happening with Gbpusd. I will be looking at, first of all, monthly chart on GJ. Now, looking at the monthly perspective on Gbpusd, as we expected in this market, there is a big monthly bearish candle followed by another monthly candle, 2 monthly bearish candle. And what we can see here, this is the monthly candle with a healthy body and also weak at the bottom. So Gbpusd, we can see that there is a long bearish price action. We can see this market has dropped well below, it's almost to the support level. This is the monthly candle. I think if it goes up, we might find another potential downside here. Looking at the weekly chart, this is the weekly price action, a very strong drop on the weekly. So far this week also we have seen bearish. Let's see here is what kind of price action. There is a gap open this week, and with this gap opening, it has dropped below, dropping down to the daily. Now Gbpusd, there was a massive drop that we have seen due to the JPY. Today we have seen significant pullback, and the candle is almost at the daily support from the lower time frame. Okay, so this is the daily resistance. Today's market on GJ, we can see that there is a potential for another retest. So if we look at the daily resistance, Okay, so you can see this is the gap opening and this is the previous daily high. So I think that we might see GJ bouncing back up. This market currently very volatile. As you can see that it's a pretty strong volatile market, and because it's a very strongly volatile, if it is going up to that level, it might give us further entry. And it's a very strongly falling market. We saw that it just dodged here, didn't go up, and we had a trade here, didn't work out. It gone to the 34p profit and then reverted. So at the moment I will be waiting for GBP/JPY another retest of the daily resistance. So this level is the most important level today to look at on GJ. I know that it's a little bit ambitious move that we are expecting, that I'm expecting, but if it goes there, okay, so which is potential sell opportunity, which is potential sell level. So this is a sell, okay, sell level. So this is what I will be waiting on GBP/JPY for potential selling. This is sell level, and wanting to see that the market is going back up and breaking this high. I wouldn't be interested to buy at the moment because we might find opportunity to buy if it is very suitable, but the bias will be potentially towards the downside. Good day, welcome Arus, thank you for joining. Good afternoon. Immaculate, good day coach, welcome. GBP/JPY. Yes, this is what we are looking at on GJ, and also you can see some movement on gold, but gold market looks a little bit in a sideway. Okay, so you can see a little bit in a sideway. We would like to see that on GBP/JPY how it is doing. Okay, so you can see GBP/JPY here is a very strong move, pullback, another move, deeper pullback, another move, failed to create a higher high. We have seen a break of structure, expecting it to bounce back up to this resistance line. Okay, so we would like to see how the market is doing on this. So this is GBP/JPY. Okay, and in the meantime, if you guys are ready for a big day, we see the market very volatile due to some fundamental. Share your opinion, guys. What's happening, and what do you think that which way the market might be heading? So looking at the calendar on Forex Factory, so also you can see tomorrow coming up NZD, and then next day is AUD day, as well as the NZD and dollar. So Thursday might be very volatile. Tomorrow NZD USD might get very volatile, and that also will impact gold also. So if you look at the NZD USD, let's quickly look at the NZD USD. And in the meantime, traders, have you smashed the like button yet? If you haven't, I would recommend you to do so. That will help the channel. And also, if you haven't joined the free Telegram channel, you can find link below this video for the free Telegram channel. Also, there's a free trading course available for you to learn and grow as a trader. So you can visit the link below this video in the description for the free Telegram as well as the free trading course. So you can let me see if the link is available for the free trading course. So I think you have a free trading plan, but for the free trading course, let me get the link. So looking at free trading course. So I've given you free trading course link in the live chat. You can, if you are a beginner as a trader, it definitely will help you to understand how trading works. Even if you are a intermediate or advanced trader, definitely this course will help you. You can watch the full video where you can learn and grow as a trader. Additionally, also stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel. I can give you the channel link. This is where I think twice given. Okay. Awesome. So let's see what kind of price action currently NZD USD is making, and then we will be also jumping back to gold and other pairs. From the multi-time frame perspective on NZD USD, what we can see, let me delete all of them so you can see that. So NZD USD from the multi-time frame, we can see a long bearish engulfer. There's a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom, and a healthy body here on NZD USD, which is the monthly price action. And with this monthly price action on NZD USD, what we can see, this is the resistance line here. So because it's a monthly bearish candle, expecting NZD USD to retest this level and then to drop back down again, because it's a bearish market on NZD USD. And with this price action on the monthly, expecting it to retest and then to drop. Looking at the weekly chart, from the weekly, this is the weekly price action forming series of lower high, and with this weekly price action, expecting for NZD USD to retest and then to drop back down, dropping down to the daily. Now when we are looking at the daily, we can see little clearer picture. It's a very strong bearish momentum on NZD USD. Big drop, pullback, another drop, pullback, massive drop, deeper pullback, expecting for the market to remain bearish for long term on NZD USD. So this daily candle, we can see that it has broken this high, grabbed that liquidity, and it's maintaining that downside on NZD USD. So with that said, if we look at the 4 hour here, okay, so here we can see a structure here on NZD USD. There is a head and shoulder formation. So you can see that this is the wing, head, and we can expect now another right shoulder formation and then to drop to trend in that direction. So looking at again monthly, this is this month's low, and with this month's low, what I think that on NZD/USD the market may drop back to this support, and so this is one support here, there's another one here, and therefore looking at here on NZD/USD, if the market going up, then we can look for selling. And I think that is because there is a news coming, the way the price action is forming is we might see that that right information. So for me, if we see that NZD/USD form that right wing, I will be looking to sell. So this is a swing trading analysis that we are not doing the the scalping on NZD/USD. But if we see that okay, so if we see that the market is moving up to that level, that's where you will be looking for that selling opportunity on NZD/USD. Okay, so yeah, this is what I will be waiting to see. The market has retested here and then drop. Okay, so this is what I'll be waiting for NZD/USD to come down and then to give us that potential entry. Okay, so this is what I will be waiting on NZD/USD for the market to retest. This is a very important level of resistance to go up, to retest, and then to trend in that direction. So this is what we will be looking at on NZD/USD. So now let's go back to gold to see what's happening, and then we'll be also jumping back to the GJ. So for gold level, and in the meantime, okay. And also guys and girls, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so. There is a lot of content every day, and every day I do share all my analysis, and also along with the analysis also I do share some of my best educational content that I share every day with the analysis. Also every weekend I do share all of my tricks that definitely will help you in your growth as a trader. So don't miss out that. Make sure also you press that bell button so that you are also notified as soon as I'm releasing any videos. Share your opinion on the live chat. Thank you. Good day, welcome. Takalani, hello sir. Beyond GJ, UJ, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Good day, favor. Tell us more stories about trading psychology. Yeah, we do share a lot of stories in this live session about developing a trading psychology. It's absolutely important because 70% of traders trading success will depend on his or her trading psychology. And this is also very less emphasized topic by many traders. But if you are passionate about trading, then definitely I would definitely recommend to pay attention, because understanding a strategy is same for everyone, but trading psychology is where the big difference made. Okay, so for example, um, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, everyone will have the same results. But when it comes down to trading psychology, is how long you want to hold the trade, how much you risk per trade, how do you do the risk management. These are some of the important topic, or some of the important aspects that make a big difference between a successful trader and non-successful trader based on your trading psychology. So it's important that, guys, you just fully understand how to work on trading psychology. Do you think that you have a very sound trading psychology? I have a question to ask. Let me see. If not, then what do you think? Where are you lacking in your trading psychology? What's your view on that? Or if you have, then share some of your tips here on the live chat. Okay. Going back to Gbpjpy, sell level, it's far more to the upside. We might see rejection before moving to the sell level, but the reason I said it there is because you can see this is a very important level, and also the daily high. If we see here a very strong bullish price action, even we can look for the short-term potential bounce. So here you can see 2 weekless candle. Okay. Ozian, what's your analysis? Monthly, weekly, and daily? I will be looking at that. I have 100% psychology, but since it is a micro learning and reading books doesn't end, I still learning more stories from you. That's good to hear that. But 100% psychology, I think it's very difficult to achieve to 100% psychology. No one has that. Also, I don't know how to measure that 100%, but um, having a good trading psychology means that you are very good at risk management, you are good at your emotional processing. Okay, so trading is emotional, right? No one gonna argue about it. But The difference is made when your decision and judgment is controlled by emotion. That's where it becomes hard to become, profitable as a trader. This is where you need to know that actually, when you are to look at based on. Okay, so if you look at the here, you can see this is the 15-minute chart on Gbpusd. And FOMO trade, revenge trade, all the psychological mistakes basically responsible for ruining trading account. So all of them comes from the psychology. So it's very important that you look at the developing a very strong trading psychology. Okay, let's see gold again. We see that bounce, that short-term bounce. What kind of price action is has made on gold? We might see short-term rise potentially a little bit. There's a gap opening. This is the 15 minutes. Okay, on Gbpusd, Gbpusd on the daily support, and you can see today's candle has gone there, has got a rejection. Today very volatile Gbpusd, and especially when you see that this is a market where you see this is a structure on GJ, and this structure, as you can see, after break of this low, is trying to bounce So it's an order block here in this area. There is a weekless candle. Okay, if GBPJPY is dropping down to 183.83, that could be a very important level that we can look for potential bounce. Now, it can possible to bounce from here as well. So this is the daily level. Okay, let's see how the market is doing on GJ on the 5 minutes here. If it is dropping below and then having a rejection, we can look for buying opportunity. Okay, how the candle closed with a full body green. Okay, so here you can see it's trying to bounce, I think potentially. If that's the case, then we might see short-term upside. But I was expecting to retest again to this support before it managed to move up, which was I was expecting. So wait for that potential downside. Okay, after it come back down here, after it drops, we'll be placing a buy stop. If the market managed to bounce this level 184.36, will be, let me see here how many peep. It's a bit of wider. Okay, let it drop first, and then we will be placing buy stop at 184.34. I think we might see even the market may not drop that far. So I will be placing a buy stop at 184.36 with below the stop loss around 40 pip. So TP will be at 185.22. 42 pip stop loss. Buy stop. Okay, so let it drop first, and then if it bounce back up, we will be looking to enter, otherwise not. So I placed a buy stop on GJ at 184.366, stop loss at 183.947, TP target 185.22, which is 221. So if it bounce back up, then we will be entering, otherwise we'll see where it is heading. It may easily continue to drop. So we place the buy stop. And in the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel for more content. Press that bell notification for more educational content. As soon as I release, you will be notified too. And absolutely appreciate your support to the channel as well. Okay, here is we need to see if it is I think we might see now potential bounce. Let's see. And it is the daily support, so if it bounce, expecting it to retest the daily resistance. Today's daily high is here, so we draw at 187.09. So now if it bounce, it might just keep pushing high to 187.09. We might take, if it is going up, we might take some partial position to keep running to the upside. If it move back to the upside, first let's secure some pip here. I absolutely know that you guys are and also check out the website link below this video in the description if you want to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can learn my strategy. One of my best strategy that I trade is the liquidity candle. So probably guys very familiar with this. Currently we have an incredible trading opportunity in the past few days as well using the liquidity candle. If you want to get access to the liquidity candle, also there will be a giveaway at the end of this session. So at the end of this live session, there will be a giveaway on liquidity candle, one liquidity candle along with the lifetime access mentorship program. So make sure you stay till the end. And if you want to get access to the right now, you can visit the website, link below this video in the description, where you can learn my strategy. You can be mentored by me, as well as all the tools that I'm using. You can get access to that if you are our lifetime member in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So the first link is below this video. So www.forextradingwizard.com. So you can visit the website here. And once you visit the website, click find out more. And you will be able to see the option to join. See a narrow candle closed. Okay, so the entry point, buy stop at 184.36. I have also shared the same trade in the VIP group, so you should be able to see with entry, stop loss, and take profit target. Will look like very sideways. Gbpusd waiting for potential trigger. It's a very narrow consolidation. Looking at gold again. Gold also little sideways. Gbpusd in a very narrow range is still not triggered. I would be happy to see that it first dropped here to this support and then started to bounce. That's where you will see that potential bigger move. This is a very weird consolidation. This kind of consolidation sometimes brings bigger move, because you see that red, green, red, green, red, green. So basically it's merging into one point with this triangle. And if it breaks below, so if it, from this triangle, if it breaks below, that's where it grabs, good amount of liquidity and then start to trend in the direction. In gold, let's see. Okay, it dropped. Okay, so on GJ, now this is below the daily support. It's really important to see if it is complete breakdown or return back to the upside. Now if it revert back from here, then we will get triggered. Okay, so yeah, that's why our my entry is so up, is because if the market revert from here, then we could see ultimately a retest of the daily high. Okay, in that case we might hold the trade, because you see that it dropped to that zone here we're talking about. Now if it bounce back to the upside, that's what we will be waiting for in that direction to take bigger trade. Hope that you are enjoying the live session, guys. If you're enjoying, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Good day, sir. Good day. Beyond dollar yen, yeah, we are on GJ looking at, I think dollar yen almost following the same pattern. Ajay, Gbpusd status, please. So Gbpusd, we placed a buy stop here, which still not triggered. But if it bounce back up, we will be on it. Otherwise, if it drops, we will be closing and we'll re-enter again for another place. You can change gold. Change gold. Oh, yeah, that's that. Absolutely. Thank you. Yep. Gold may trade because Legends daily time frame doesn't look that nice for GJ. No, daily time frame. Yeah, this is why this is a long-term bearish market, but from the daily, you can see it's now after grabbing that liquidity, it's trying to bounce. From the daily, it is a bear market. Okay, we saw pretty strong consolidation here, and okay, now a potential for, if it bounce up, we will be entering. If it drops down, started to trend below, we will be closing the pending order. I think we could see a primary reaction from the buyers, at least for short term. Gana, welcome. Maruf, gold, yeah. Rose, welcome. Entry and TP. So entry at 184.365, TP at 185.22. NY session. Good morning. Yeah, GJ is sell. Yeah, as I mentioned, it's a downtrend, so it's a sell market. But because on the daily support, the way we placed our entry, if the market bounce, then we will be looking for short-term opportunity. And then, if it cross 184.70, we can take partial profit and moving the stop loss at entry. If it goes from here to the upside, can expect a short-term bounce. That's what we are taking. Okay, I know that it's a long-term downtrend, but short-term trend change possible for liquidity grab at least to 185 level if it bounce, because there is a daily resistance retest possible, and that's the reason we are on this pending order on Gbpusd. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and join the free Telegram channel for all ideas, informations, and all the educational content that I do share on the free Telegram channel, including the live trade ideas. So I've given you the free Telegram channel link in the live chat. So you can see here is moving up. So if you look at here on GJ, support level, still there, the pending order. Looking at gold, it is not impressively going up. We might be able to close the pending order, look for another entry. Okay, so it didn't trigger. The way the price action showing is potential for downside. I would like to close the pending order on GBPJPY. We might see downside. We will be looking for new opportunity on gold and GJ. Let's close that pending order. Sometime we need to do that way. Close the pending order and we will be refreshly looking for new opportunity. So you might see the way you can see multiple liquidity grab in many areas. So basically it may have given potential bearish momentum here on GJ. So if we look at the daily support here, this is the daily resistance. We can see rejection. Sometimes the entry will be a bit of, might take a little bit of time, and you have to be patient as a trader. That's only the thing. Okay, if we look at gold, let's see what's happening with the gold. We see that GJ breaking below, and the trend is showing downside, so you'll be waiting. Patience is key, as I mentioned. Jesse Livermore once said that money comes from sitting, not from trading. Downside price action. So we are out on the pending order, and gold, you guys have seen the analysis also on gold. Probably have seen that the posted analysis that I would recommend you to watch. Always the analysis that will help you to understand. GJ again. Okay, GBPJPY, we can see that it's forming this structure, and with this structure the price action may break the daily support. If we look at the gold, now gold open with a gap with a long wick at the bottom. So gold as expected, we see that downside, and I'm short on gold still 2406. So if you are short on gold, then you should be in profit. But see, tell us more stories. Yeah, trading psychology. Yeah, we discussed that. Do you expect Euro USD to get a bounce or continue downtrend? So Euro USD, look, Euro USD, we can see that if you look at the daily chart on Euro USD, this is the daily move. Okay, and today's market open, and then we saw a drop. If we look at the weekly and monthly, we can see a bearish long wick candle. Weekly also we can see a long wick candle with a narrow body, expecting it to downside. Daily chart bearish. So euro dollar, after this long wick candle, we can see rejection. Now I think euro dollar, yeah, because it started to drop, we might see now coming back to this liquidity zone. So if you look at the daily, because it failed to create a higher high, we might see now even a retest of this previous resistance turning support here. So I think that euro dollar may continue to drop to that level. The potential bearish price action is higher on euro dollar. So for me, yeah, the bearish price action is more probability than the bullish. So you can see this is the 15-minute chart. The market trend is down, creating series of lower high and lower low. So you can see this is a support turning resistance on euro dollar. So support, turn resistance. important level on euro dollar. Expecting to drop in that direction. Okay, so euro USD, the price action, if you look at the daily again, it's falling down from the 4-hour, bearish from the 1-hour. We see that also bearish from the 15 minutes. So there was a liquidity candle here, couple of liquidity candles. So you can see price has broken all of them. So that has given potentially a momentum. If we look at the 15 minutes. So the 5 minutes. Are you guys enjoying the live session? Let's see if we can find a trading opportunity on euro dollar again. And if you are enjoying, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So it's moving to the upside on the 15 minutes. Any peep here. 8 peep. So I would like to place a sell stop on euro dollar in this level. So sell stop at 1.09097 and stop loss will be above 1.0918. So around 10 pips stop loss. If the market breaks below, we will be looking to sell. So sell stop on euro dollar. $1.09097. Stop loss 1.09182. TP at 1.08935. So 9 pips stop loss. So sell stop on euro dollar at 1.09097. Put a bit higher TP target. So let's see. And with that in mind, we can see there's a breakdown on gold. You can see gold started to drop in that direction, and probably guys have seen the analysis early today. So let's keep eye first of all what's happening with the euro dollar. If we get triggered, we can secure some pip here. So basically we place the sell stop. Are you guys with me? Okay, so thank you. Okay, so we might get a trigger here, and if we get trigger, if the market managed to drop to this 6 pip down, then we will be taking partial profit and then moving the stop loss at entry. And also guys, make sure you join the free Telegram channel, where you can, I do share many of my educational ideas in the free Telegram, where also you can get a stay up to date everything. So link below this video in the description for the free Telegram channel. Okay, waiting for the market to break below. So we place the pending order, sell stop on Euro USD at 1.09097. We've seen a huge breakdown on gold, and it's coming for a weak fill. So far, very strong breakdown. Okay, euro dollar, I got a trigger. I got a trigger on euro dollar. So sell stop active. Sell stop active on euro dollar. Have we done? Yes, we are on a trade. Yeah, we are on a trade on gold. Not gold, euro dollar. So if it is breaking below 1.0903 or 1.0900, that's where you can take some potential profit. If it drops, anything can happen. So make sure, guys and girls, you do proper risk management. Trading is all about probability, and doing the risk management is the key. I don't want to see that it's breaking above, which not expected, but I think we should see now potential break below, as a long-term trend is down. Waiting to see Euro USD coming down. So 15 minutes candle close with a, yeah, there's a liquidity candle. Now this liquidity candle, we saw 1 2 3 break of the liquidity candle. There's another one here, so expecting it to come down to feel that weak and then to melt in the direction. By the way, if you are not sure what is a liquidity candle, this is one of my best tools that I use to trade the market every single day, and also available for the members who are in the academy for lifetime. If you want to get access to the liquidity candle, then you can consider joining the academy, and if you are a lifetime member, you can get access to all my tools, including mentorship, VIP signal group. Also, if you needed one-on-one, the link below this video in the description. Once you're on the website, click find out more, and I would recommend you to join the lifetime access today to know what is strategy that I'm trading, what are the tools that I'm using. That is where you can also meet like-minded traders in the academy, where you can join the chat group. I hope that, guys and girls, you are enjoying the live session. If you're finding value in it, then don't forget to smash it. Smash the like button to 60, and if you haven't subscribed yet, probably you are following me a long time but forgot to subscribe, you can do so. There is a lot of content here that definitely will help you in your growth as a trader. More than 2,500 content in this channel, so you can go to the playlist, watch them, and you'll see the difference. So you can see that started to drop. This is what I'm expecting on euro dollar to trend in the direction. Let's see. Let's secure some peep here, like yesterday we did. Thank you. Okay, this is the 1 minute. I drop back to the 1 minute chart, and let's see the weak fill, and expecting it to break below, which try to bounce in that direction. Is there any news has come out? In the last moment, we see there is a rejection. Now, okay, the imbalance, the long wicks are here, so expecting it to break below to fill that imbalance. From the 15 minutes. Okay, this 5 minutes candle close is very important to see that it's closing as a narrow doji or red candle. To see the next one is, or this one coming back below the support. You guys can see that. Now, as you can see from this resistance, expecting this candle to close as a full body red, so that you can see that the next one is coming back below the support level. If it drops below the support, we will be securing some profit here. Hope the guys are enjoying this live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, we are coming below the entry. Okay, entering into the profit zone. Right, so stay tuned. Gold, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Can I find a video on the YouTube explaining the liquidity candle? There are some generalized videos on the channel that you can look at, but liquidity candle is exclusive to the academy mentorship, and because there is a reason, it's a process that if you want to get trained on liquidity candle, then you must need to commit yourself to learning and growing as a trader with me, which one video may not be enough for you. So that is why liquidity candle is exclusive to the mentorship. But if you join the mentorship today, you can get access to all of them. Also, any question, you can let me know so that I can see that if you have any question. This is something definitely you can consider, because you can see that every day I'm trading on live using the liquidity candle, and this one also based on liquidity candle, and you can see the market started to drop a couple of peep downside. Okay, want to see holding on to, and are you guys with me with that? So wanting to see that it's coming back below this support. How many peep? 6 peep, 7 peep. Stop it down. So this is bearish engulfer on the 1 hour, 30 minutes, also bearish engulfer. Pretty strong bearish, which is good for us to see. Now if we see the market breaking below, after breaking below, come on, they're bouncing back. So this is a 1 minute candlestick pattern. We might need to very soon wrap some or take some profit here. Come on. This trade, we need to make sure that we are either in profit or at entry. So our entry at 1.0997. Okay, we need to exit the trade. Okay, we need to exit the trade with little or no profit at entry. The market didn't go as expected, so I'm out on euro dollar trade. Break even. It had a bounce. Now we have a risk now to take if we keep running. I'm out of euro dollar. Okay, so it managed to bounce, so it might now try to retest. I want to take that risk for the trade to running. Instead, we will be able to re-enter. You can see without breaking below, it managed to bounce, so that at the moment not below that and doing anything. Here I'm out on euro dollar, and we can see that gold also forming similar kind of price action. So break even day, someday are break even, and that's completely fine. This is how trading is. Someday break even, and still we have full day to go on the NOI session. I will be looking at, and for this live session break even, but there is something still to take from here, guys. Let's look for the giveaway for the liquidity candle. So I'm using giveaway option. So let's look for the search for keyword, right? Liquidity. So the keyword is liquidity. If you write on the live chat liquidity, you will be enter into the competition for the giveaway of the liquidity candle, like we do every day. So you can write liquidity on the live chat to be in the competition of giveaway. So Patrick, Travis, Legends. Okay, I see 3 eligible members. Will be waiting for at least 20. And this liquidity candle giveaway coming up with the full lifetime access mentorship program. For one lucky member, we will get this liquidity candle today. But if you don't want to wait for the giveaway, though there will be one lucky member, but if you want to get access to, we have few spots open in the mentorship, so don't miss out as well. Link below this video in the description. So you can click eligible users. So you can write liquidity on the live chat. Thank you. So write anyone new, you can write on the live chat liquidity. to be entered into the competition. So we found 9 eligible members have joined the liquidity competition. Anyone? Ten eligible members. You can write liquidity on the live chat to be entered into the competition of the liquidity candle. 13 members. 14. You can write liquidity on the live chat. So we send 14 members on the competition. So I see 15 eligible members on the competition of the liquidity candle. So I will be rolling it up with the 16, waiting for 4 more. Okay, we got 16. Let me roll it up. Royal World Express have won the liquidity candle. Royal World Express, congratulations for winning today's liquidity candle. So you can to claim your winning liquidity candle, so you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Then scroll down below where you can find the contact. Here you can name, email, subject, and write that you won the liquidity candle. Will be straight sending back to you to your email the full access. Congratulations. And yeah, that was also, I wouldn't say winning day, but some of you may have taken profit, some of you on the break-even side. I'm break-even for today on this. So with that said, we can see there's a bounce. Sometimes managing is very important in trading. So with that said, thank you for joining the live session, guys and girls. Before I leave, if you want to trade with the same recommended broker that I'm trading, you can find link below this video in the description. Also, I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can click and then you can register and start with a minimum capital possible. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.